Now this one I've just taken apart. I've taken the cover off. I have explained how that is done on my previous videos. Now what I'm going to do is to check the battery on this particular one. Now let's just put my terminals on here and here, and we've got just over 1 volt. Now what it should have is 1.2 volts. Now 1 volt it probably would work, but as you can see, I've just shorted it out and it's started up, and then it's flashing the red light, which means there's not enough power. So if I press this button down here, it looks like it just simply shuts down when it gets to 1 volt and doesn't want to continue. So what I'm going to do now is put the charger in and see if we can charge that battery up. Now what we should have is a green light coming on. Doesn't look like green is coming up. There, we've got the green light now coming up. That means it's charging. I'll just bring it a bit closer, you can see it. Now I'm going to leave that for about an hour or so, and then I'm going to come back and we're going to check see what the voltage is on the battery. Just make it a little bit easier for me to see what I'm doing. I'm going to take this off here, that pushes on to the on-off button. Got this rather unusual contraption, so I just need to remove that. There we go. So now we've taken that off. That's just to push the button down. That's rather unusual contraption, just to press a button. Alright, so now we should get a voltage, get the green light. There it is, the green light's come up, and see if we can check the voltage. Put the terminals onto the battery. You can see it's slowly going up there, the voltage, so that should get to 1.2, and then when it does, we'll check to see if the power is kept in the battery. So you can see it doesn't really last that long. So I think the next option here is to replace the battery. So thank you for watching, and I'll be showing this in the next video.